Are you a realtor that wants more business the easy way? Have you thought about getting your own mobile app to bring your real estate business into the digital world? Imagine somewhere where you could showcase your property listings within seconds to the app. You can allow your user to favorite the properties they are most interested in, and even schedule an appointment directly in your app. With your app, you can add new listings and properties that have just sold. You can give sneak previews of new listings about to come onto the market. You can also add your own social channels like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Add the health and safety measures you are implementing in today's world so clients can feel safe and confident to go and view a property. A mobile app will help your realtor business not only survive but thrive in 2020 and beyond. Your app comes fully branded with your own theme and style. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode your realtor business.